Hi, I'm Jace. I've been a software developer for 6 months now. So I just barely overcame that hurdle on learning how to code and getting my first job. So it's fresh on my mind. Here are the mistakes that I made that you should avoid. Number one is don't jump around programming languages when you're learning to code. Don't go on YouTube and keep searching over and over again and clicking on every video that tells you what language you should learn in 2025. What language guarantees you a job? What's the hottest new framework? No, just find a programming language that looks interesting, that accomplishes the task of kind of the job or the goal that you have in mind, and just learn it and stick with it. Mistake number two to avoid is going down the rabbit hole of tutorial after tutorial after painful tutorial. If you keep finding tutorials on YouTube or buying a bunch of courses on Udemy and just following along step by step, yeah, you might learn a little bit, but you're going to be held back quite a bit because programming isn't knowing syntax and following along with somebody. It's knowing how to learn and where to find information and just really self-teaching. What I would recommend is picking some projects, very simple projects that are going to help you learn how to code. Start small. It's a painful process, but if you do it that way, the hard way that feels painful, it's not as easy as following a tutorial, you will eventually get it. I promise you. So just stick with it. And I promise you can get there too. If I could, you can too.